Hello. Welcome to another tutorial on the Smart Assistant channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to clear the cache memory of the Snapchat app on your Android device. Like any other application, Snapchat also stores certain data to improve performance and speed. This data, known as cache memory, can take up significant space on your device over time. Clearing the cache memory can help resolve issues with the app's slow performance or free up space on your device. Without further ado, let's get started with the cache memory cleaning process. So, the first thing you need to do is go to Settings. After that, scroll down, find the Caps option, and tap on it. Now, in the upper right corner of the screen, tap on the search to immediately find the Snapchat app. In the search bar, type Snapchat, then tap on the app. In this section, scroll down and select the Storage option. Finally, tap on the Clear Cache option located in the lower right corner of the screen to clear the Snapchat cache memory. Great! That's all for this video. If the video was helpful to you, please like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Stay well and see you in the next video.